Come on, you gotta let me in there. Come on. You gotta let me in there to clean. Come on. Don't block the door. You gotta move. Yeah, I got a vacuum in there. Come on, I gotta take advantage of feeling okay on the antibiotics. You gonna move? Am I going to move you? What do you say? You want to move? I know you don't want to move. Will you please move? Please? Yeah, you gonna let me in there? No, you're just gonna chew the carpet after I vacuumed? Bandit, come on, you got it. Come on, keep going. Alright, I'm gonna vacuum. You ready? Bandit, come on. Alright, you have to go in the cage. I'm not gonna get this done with you up here, I can see that. Come on. You gotta let me in. Don't chew the carpet, I just vacuumed. Come on. Come on. Huh? Yeah. I have to vacuum, Bandit. Come on, you gotta move. Alright, I'm gonna try again. Bandit, I didn't even turn it on yet and you're attacking it. Okay, you have to go downstairs so I can finish.